Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to explain sequences and series JEE Mains January 2020. These are very easy questions given in 2020 January month, and one or two questions are lengthy. Okay, now see the first question, what they are given. Find the greatest value of k for which 49 power k plus 1 is factor of 1 plus 49 plus 49 square plus and so on 49 power 125. Actually observe this is GP series. So in this GP series a value is 1 and the common ratio is 49. This is R value is greater than 1 and n value number of terms 126. Apply the formula a into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Numerator, observe that 49 power 126. So I am going to write 49 power 63 whole square minus 1 square divided by 48. So this is, we can write 49 whole power 63 plus 1 into 49 whole power 63 minus 1 divided by 48. Okay, but here find the greatest value of k for which 49 power k plus 1 is factor of this. So this is 49 power k plus 1 in the form of like that. By comparing both, so I am decided that k value is how much, students? 63. K value 63. Observe the option. First option correct. This is a very easy question, but you want to get thought split into factors, then only is, otherwise difficult. Next question. Next question, what they are given, see. Sum of 5 consecutive terms of an AP is 25, and product of these consecutive terms is 2520. One of the term is minus 1 by 2. Then find the greatest term. Sum of 5 consecutive terms and AP. So we know that in AP series 5 consecutive terms how to take a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. These are in AP series. Sum of these, sum how much given? 25. Product of these 5 numbers 2520. If sum of 5 terms, observe that minus 2d plus d, 2d minus d plus d is going to cancel. 5 times should come a plus a plus a, that is 5a is equal to 25, then a value is 5. Now product a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d, that is equal to 2520. A minus 2d, a plus 2d, how much? A square minus 4d square, a minus d into a plus d, that is a square minus d square, that is equal to 2520. What is a value? 5. Substitute 25 minus 4d square, 25 minus d square, that is equal to 2520. Now 5 will cancel this, 504 will come. Now multiply these two. 25, 25, 625 minus 25 d square minus 100 d square plus 4d power 4, that is equal to 504. Now write in particular order. 4d power 4 minus 125d square, 504 send left hand side, we get plus 121 overall after calculation. Split into factors. This is we get d square minus 1 into 4d square minus 121, that is equal to 0. Finally observe that d value we get plus or minus 1, and one more is plus or minus 11 by 2. And one of the value, here 5 values are there, no? A minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d, and a. So these, out of this, one of the value is negative minus 1 by 2 given. If d value take plus or minus 1, not possible, not possible. One of the term minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. If d value take 11 by 2, then substitute here a minus d. A value is how much? 5. D means 11 by 2. Overall, we get minus 1 by 2. When it is possible, one of the term is minus 1 by 2. If d value is 11 by 2 means. Now here we need greatest value. The greatest value is a plus 2d only. A value is 5 plus 2 into d value is 11 by 2. 2 cancel. 11 plus 5, 16. Out of those five values, greatest value is a plus 2d only. So that value should be how much? 16. Second option correct. This is a lengthy problem, but easy only. Go to the third question. This is third one. Let 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus and so on 40 terms is equal to s. If s is equal to 1 or 2 into m, then what is m value? What is m value? See the series. Common difference not same. Common ratio also not same. And do one thing. Take that 2 terms 1 unit. 2 terms 1 unit. How many terms are there? 40. 2 terms 1 unit we are taken means total terms we get only 20 units. 3 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 9, 17. 13 plus 14, 27. And so on. How many units? 20. That means 20 terms. This value take s because already given here. Now observe this. This is AP series. A value is 7 and a common difference is 10. Now we need to find sum of 20 terms. 20 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1, that is 19 into d, 10. Here s value already given. How much? 102 into m, that is equal to 10, 14 plus 190. This is 10 into 204. 204. 102 2 times 204. So what is m value? 2 into 10, 20. So m value is 20. They are asking m value only now. Which option correct, students? First option correct. This is a very easy question. When it is easy, after taking the 2 terms 1 unit, then only easy, otherwise lengthy. Now see the fourth question. A1, A2, A3 and so on, A9 are in GP. A1 is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. Here take that A1 means A. A2 means AR. A3 means AR square, like this. Then what is AN? Nth term? A into R power n minus 1. Here A value is less than 0. Remember it. Now A1 plus A2, how much given? 4. A3 plus A4, that is equal to 16 given. What is A1? A1 means A. A2 means AR, that is equal to 4. Here AR square plus AR cube, that is equal to 16. Take R square common here, remaining is A plus AR, that is equal to 16. Already we know that A plus AR value, substitute. R square into 4 is equal to 16. 4 4s are 16. Then R value plus R minus 2. Plus R minus 2. Substitute here R value 2. R value 2. Then what we get? A. A plus 2A, that is equal to 4. 3A is equal to 4. A value is 4 by 3. It is greater than 0, but already given in the question that value should be less than 0. So R we can take minus 2 only. Substitute A minus 2A, that is equal to 4. Minus A is equal to 4. A value minus 4. So finally we got R value is minus 2. A value is minus 4. Okay. Now we need to find sigma I is equal to 1 to 9, AI is equal to 4 lambda. That means A1 plus, A2 plus, and so on. A9 is equal to 4 lambda. How many terms are there here? 9 terms. Sum of 9 terms. What is the formula? A1 means AR not. A into R power 9 minus 1. And here R value is negative. Negative. So that's why change the formula. 1 minus R power 9 by 1 minus R. That is equal to 4 lambda. Now substitute those values. Minus 4 into 1 minus minus 2 whole power 9 divided by 1 minus of minus 2. That is equal to 4 lambda. Here 4 4 cancel. Remaining, calculate that. We get minus 171. That is equal to lambda. After calculation, you will get lambda value minus 171. Third option, correct. Students, all of you understood? This is also easy question only, but observe that A1 is less than 0. First term is negative. Okay, I think all of you understood now. Till now, who are not subscribed, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.